Hello everyone, welcome to my review channel. Today we are reviewing Ivy Grip tape. Now that's just the name of this brand, I think. You know, it's basically this cleared double-sided tape, can be used on anything to mount anything, to keep stuff in place and whatnot. So we're going to use it on this picture that my sister-in-law did not want, so my wife wanted it. So let's get unboxing and, well, not really unboxing, but show you guys what it looks like. So they all look about the same. It's just this double-sided clear transparent tape. And like all my videos, I'll have a link in the video description where you guys and girls can get this. So let's go ahead and mount this on. Now for something lightweight like this canvas, we don't have to put a crazy amount on to keep it in place. So probably a piece here, 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 and here. So 4 pieces, and they don't have to be that crazy big. So it just peels off like this, and then you can use a scissors or try and break off a piece. And again, for something this lightweight, we don't have to use big pieces. So this is going to be pretty sticky just right here, so you don't want to lay it on anything that can absorb it. So I recommend just keeping the plastic piece and keeping it there. And I always like to keep this flap over, that way when I'm done. So as you can see, piece there, 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 and there, and that's plenty big enough of a piece. So let's go ahead and mount this. So we will put this where my wife thought would look nice, which would be right up here. So I'm going to set my phone down so I can line it up even. So then you apply pressure where the tape is. And you just keep applying pressure where you have your tape, whatever you're hanging or doing. And that's how it looks. So it looks sideways a little bit. I think it's the design of this. But yeah, it stays on solid, as you can see, not going anywhere. So you can use this stuff not just to hang things, but let's say you got something on a table, you can put it underneath so it doesn't slide around, or whatever you can think of, you can use. So I've used this stuff hundreds of times, so I give it a 10 out of 10 every time, because it's phenomenal. I love this stuff. Links in the video description if you're interested.